I love it, dude. That is sweet. Now I wish I had taken a better picture. Oh. Oh, that's cool.
It's Baby Yoda.
Yeah, it's Grogu. Oh! Dude! Oh, jump out, jump out. Jump out and close my door. Hurry.
Zero, 777 is recording. Recording started.
You just hit my car, man. You just hit my car. You just hit my truck, dude.
Your truck? What do you mean?
I was parked over there on that street and you just hit my truck. I got it on dash cam and everything, dude.
Where did I hit your truck at? I didn't feel anything.
That got knocked down by you doing it. Dude, that saved your ass, man. That collapsing saved your ass. Dude, you calm down, man. You know, figure out what you're doing. I know you got a job that's really demanding, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, but gotta watch where we're going, okay?
Sorry.
I had my little boy in my truck. We're opening up my Father's Day presents, man.
I apologize, sir. I thought that guy was gonna slow down. That's why I
I got you.
swerved, so
I got you, man.
I apologize.
All right, dude.
Yeah,
Just
I'm sorry about that.
okay.